So now that we understand where trading fits into the picture of owning a business and how it's very similar to owning a business, let's talk about the core components of what makes up a traditional business model. Compare those to trading and having a trading business, because I always refer to trading being a business. I always refer to my trading business, not my trading. And that's the approach you need to look at. You need to see, how is my business doing? When you are trading and you're reviewing your trading and you're looking at how your business is doing in terms of income production, that is how you need to look at it, through that lens of being a business owner. So I'm going to draw a couple of commonalities between owning a traditional business and what it's like owning a trading business, and you will see that the two are no very different from each other. So first off, looking at the core components of a traditional business model. Every single business, when you go to market and you are looking for investors, or you are pitching your business idea to somebody, or you're wanting to get your business off the ground, every good business needs to have a business plan. You need to know what your plan is, where you fit into the market, what sector, what category, what product, how you're going to bring it to the market, what is the strategy. All of that needs to exist within the business plan. It'll give your business direction, clarity, and give you a plan to work from in order to execute that business within the market that you want to succeed. The second key point is that any person that's begun a business needs some sort of startup capital. Depending on the business that you're starting will depend on the amount of startup capital that you need. But chances are your traditional business model needs some sort of startup capital in order to get it going. Thereafter, you need products and services to sell and generate an income. You need something to bring to the market that solves a problem for people that they will pay you for, and in return, your business will generate an income and revenue from that. And that's where sales and turnover comes in. When you're selling your products and services, you're generating that turnover, which allows you to reinvest back into your business to produce more products and services. But also, to generate those products and services, you're going to have cost of sales and operating costs. Cost of sales is the cost of what it takes in order to create the product itself, as well as operating costs like salaries, overheads, rent, utilities, and all of those things that go with a business. Over and above that, good business practice always requires administration. You need bookkeeping, sound bookkeeping, to make sure you know how much money is coming in, where money is going out to, what are your costs, where's money being spent from. It allows you to gauge the progress of your business in real terms of numbers and figures. Once your business is up and running and you're generating sales and things are going quite well, most businesses then take the next step into ensuring that they continuously keep on driving research and development. That's around trying to find new markets to enter in, perhaps adding new products, or improving the current product that they have within the markets. All of this progress and information tends to then get measured on a monthly, quarterly, and yearly basis, and this is where business reviews and earnings results come out. Most large companies out there, depending on where you're based in the world, if you've got shareholders and you've got public offerings and the public generally owns a portion of your business, you need to release earnings results so that people know how well the business is doing. But also internally, the business needs to hold business reviews. How are they doing within the current week, month, year? How does it compare to previous years and months? All of those are really important things to do to ensure that the growth and health of your business continues to develop and move forward. By doing business reviews and checking earnings results, this allows you to also identify areas of growth and expansion in order to increase your business size and ultimately make it larger and larger. So those are the core components of what makes up a traditional business model. There are other areas in there that we've left out, but when we look at that list, that is probably the key areas of most businesses that are quite common, no matter what sector or business that you're in.